Here I have XIAOMI Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open the camera, tap on three stripes here, then go to its settings, and here you can find watermark. So you can add timestamp to photos and actually device watermark, and also device watermark I mean. And now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark just like this. Black Shark 5 Pro and timestamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.